Hey there everyone, here is a packing video for you today. I hope you enjoy it. I'm doing something a little bit different than I've done in the past. I figured I'd give you all a chance to hear my voice and hear how awkward I am because I've never done one of these before. But you know, got to start somewhere, right? So what I'm using here, this is a 9x6x3 box. It's one of the main shipping products I use to ship out my soaps. And in this order was a pretty large order, at least that I think it was. It has a lot of my favorite soaps in it. This person had ordered some lavender, some chamomile lavender, and then half bars of the peppermint soap and the eucalyptus and spearmint soap. And let me just tell you, this box is going to smell amazing. I was already able to smell the box, smell the scents of the box when I dropped it off at the post office. So people who work at the post office, you're welcome for such an amazing smelling box. I do try to be as plastic free and eco-friendly as I possibly can when I'm packaging your orders. I do tend to reuse a lot of packaging material myself from orders that I've received. What I have here is a craft paper that I'm using as cushioning to protect your soaps while they're in transit. Definitely want to keep them as safe as I possibly can. And every order does receive a free sample of a soap that you did not order, as well as a thank you and care card on how to actually take care of your soaps and get the longest life you possibly can out of them. After I've added the last little bit of craft paper cushioning, I wrap the order up like it's a little present. This is the tissue paper that I've actually made myself, just used a stamp and stamp my logo all over it. I thought it's a more convenient way than just having to order custom-made tissue paper. Hope you guys like it. I actually pretty pleased with the way it turned out. Now I just seal the package up using water activated paper tape. And actually this tape is pretty cool. It took me a little bit to get used to using it. Once I figured it out, it's actually the best product I've probably ever purchased to ship out your orders with. All I do is cut a piece off that's kind of the size of the box there. That way I'm not using excess tape, and just take a wet paper towel, or wipe it down, and then seal the box up. And actually, this tape is a little bit stronger than the regular shipping tape, so I find it pretty cool and convenient and minimal. Thank you for watching.